forces. Thank you very much. And this is a respect for the brotherhood and the riding community across. I never had an NGO or never had a thought process to make a website or something because it was a selfless act. The whole intention was with this 28th state and 8 union territory soil, India map will be created again as a new memorial, and which will be the first of kind memorial which will have all the forces coming together. I don't know how it is going to happen, but I have a zeal that if God has brought me here, He will definitely take care of the memorial as well. The car which I traveled has a lot of emotions, and मैंने ये decide किया कि more than the corporate sponsor, the Tiranga or forces का logo is the main support and the blessings. So I am here today, 105,000 kilometers, 137 martyrs family. I am traveling to Andaman and Lakshadweep. I am still trying to figure out what are the ways, what are the support, but I am pretty sure I will reach Andaman and you will get the news from there. I will come back to Chennai, go to Cochin, go to Lakshadweep, come back, and you will see the history in making. Thank you very much once again, and thank you for all your blessings and support. And if you have any questions to ask, it's an emotion. I have a wife, I have 2 kids. Many people think that I'm a bachelor. It's not that. I have understood to be in the soldier's shoes and not to see the family for 10 months. I can see the pain and the pride and the sacrifices. It's been a proud moment for me, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rotary Ramesh. We wish you all the best for the Andaman and Nicobar travel. And do get back to me in case you have any issues. I can always speak to Lieutenant General Arun, who is known to me pretty well. And I wish Government of India gives you all the support for completing your memorial at Jammu and Kashmir. Am I right? Is that what you're planning? Yeah, JNK. Thank you so much. Now request our chief guest to receive a small memento from RCME. I request Lieutenant Ramesh to come forward and receive your memento from RCME.
I take this coat for one reason, that it has a Rotary, so I'm proud Rotary. Thank you. They have given me an honorary membership. My wife Sujata is a part of the Rotary Bangalore. So thank you very much. Once again for the blessing. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you.
I request Lieutenant Vijay to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening. So in these days, when most of us are busy chasing our targets and professional goals, it is heartening to see someone who's busy pursuing his passion. And I've known Varun for some time now. I've had the opportunity to work with him. And I have to say his enthusiasm is infectious. It shows in the lovely team he's put together. Kudos on conceptualizing the Chennai Photo Biennale. It was a fantastic initiative, and good luck with the upcoming edition. Thanks for joining us here today and enlightening all of us with or about the wonderful work that you're doing at Chennai Photo Biennale. Thanks also to our other speaker. Thank you for that very inspiring talk. Thank you all for joining us here today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thanks, Mahesh, for putting this evening together. And of course, thanks to our venue partner, Crown Plaza. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, Vijay. This meeting of the Rotary Club of Madras East is now adjourned.